Here is an overview of the Cwicly Section Block. Think of a section as a block that structures your page efficiently. By default, it has a width of 1120 pixels and a top and bottom padding of 150 pixels. Padding creates a distance between the content of a section and its border. Let's add a section block using the toggle block inserter. Using the Cwicly toolbar, you can add any block you want. To allow for wider screen sizes, you can change the width to 1440 pixels. If modified in the global styles in the settings property, the change will automatically be applied to every section. However, if modified in the Advanced tab, the change will only be applied to that specific section. This can also be applied to the padding settings. The modification of the padding size will be applied once the global settings have been saved. Let's add a heading and a paragraph and style them. The style settings applied to this section will be inherited by all the blocks inside that specific section if those blocks don't have specific styles applied to them. Let's set a font family, text color, and text size. The heading and paragraph will automatically inherit these style settings. We want to position the paragraph under the heading and center them. Let's head over to the Flex properties in the Primary tab, which will allow us to position the blocks contained in a section.